Welcome Blue Star students. Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about the kinds of quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? If any figure having four sides, it is called quadrilateral. Okay, now we will see the kinds of quadrilateral. First one is trapezium. It is called trapezium. What is trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Trapezium also a quadrilateral. It has a pair of parallel sides. Okay, it is a parallel side. See, this arrow mark represent the parallel side. These two sides are parallel. What is the example? Give one example of a parallel line. It's a railway track. Railway track பார்த்திருப்பீங்களா? That line is parallel. The two track line பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது parallel இருக்கும். So it is parallel. Okay, so trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Pair of parallel sides. It's a pair. Two இருக்குல்ல, that is called pair. Okay, pair of parallel sides இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. It is called trapezium. Next one is kite. What is the meaning of kite? A quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. The kite also a quadrilateral. It has exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. See, these two sides are consecutive. Same. These two sides represent this single bar. This sides are it's a pair. Okay, one pair, it is two pair. So these two pairs of equal consecutive sides are இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Consecutive இந்த அடுத்தடுத்து வரக்கூடிய இந்த two sides parallel இருக்குது. Then next two sides parallel இருக்குது. This is kite. Okay, what is the properties of kite? The diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Okay, first one, the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. We will draw a diagonal. See, this is the diagonal. Okay, here DB, one diagonal. Okay, so what is the first property? The diagonals are perpendicular to one another. So AC is a diagonal, another one diagonal is DB. These two diagonals are in this angle is 90 degree, that is called perpendicular. Okay, so the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Next, second point, one of the diagonals bisect each other. So one diagonals bisect each other. One touch panni cut agudile, that is called bisect. Equal cut agum. Okay, that is called bisect. Next, in the figure, angle B is equal to angle D. See, in the angle D, angle B also equal, and then but angle A not equal to angle C. But this angle D and B is equal கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, but this angle A and C not equal. Angle of A and C not equal, but angle of D and B is equal. So what is the first property? The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. 90 degree இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Next one of the diagonal bisect each other. ஒரு diagonal இன்னொரு diagonal bisect பண்ணுதுன்னா ஈக்குவலாக டிவைட் பண்ணும் அந்த லைனை. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ இட் இஸ் 6 சென்டிமீட்டர் அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, இப்போ திஸ் இஸ் 6 சென்டிமீட்டர் அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, இது வந்து இந்த diagonal லைன் கட் பண்ணுது இல்லையா, அது என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவலாக கட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதான் சொல்லுவாங்க ஒன் ஆஃப் த diagonals bisect each other. நெக்ஸ்ட், இந்த ஃபிகரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆங்கிள் பி பர்பண்டிகுலர் லைன் இருக்கிற ஆங்கிள் பி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆங்கிள் டி. திஸ் இஸ் போத் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல், பட் திஸ் ஆங்கிள் ஏ நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆங்கிள் சி. ஓகே, தீஸ் ஆர் த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் கைட். Next one is parallelogram. A quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel. Okay, parallelogram also a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel. See, AB and DC are opposite lines. Okay, so these opposite sides are parallel. Okay, in the side AD and BC, these two sides are opposite, these also parallel. Okay, so this is the parallelogram definition. A quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel. Okay, so next, what are the properties of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. In this opposite sides are parallel சொன்னோம். இங்க பாருங்க, quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel சொன்னோம். Parallel and equal also. Here 5 centimeter. AB is 5 centimeter. DC also 5 centimeter. Okay. Here BC is 3 centimeter. Then AD also 3 centimeter. So first point property is opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Next property, second one, opposite angles are parallel. Okay. Here it is what is the angle of B? That is equal to D. What is the angle of A? That is equal to angle C. Okay, angle A and angle C are equal. Angle B and angle D are equal. That is opposite angles are equal. Okay, next one, diagonals bisect one another. So diagonal, what is the diagonal? AC is a diagonal and here BD is a diagonal. These two diagonals bisect. Cut agudha, but bisect means equal cut agum. So ipo pathina in AC bisect BD. Like, so diagonals bisect one another. One bisect pannudhu. Okay. And the next one, the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, the adjacent angles in a parallelogram. Parallelogram oda angles pathana, adjacent means next அடுத்தடுத்து வரக்கூடிய angles. Adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. What is supplementary? Supplementary means 180 degree. Okay, so these two angles, suppose I am taking B and C, these two are supplementary. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Otherwise, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So, two adjacent angles are present. The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, adjacent means அடுத்தடுத்து வரக்கூடிய angles. So, adjacent angles add பண்ணும்போது it is supplementary. What is supplementary? Supplementary angle is 180 degree. Okay. So, the kinds of quadrilateral, in this kinds of quadrilateral we are seeing trapezium, kite and then parallelogram. Using these properties we are going to solve the sums in exercise 3.3. okay, so what is the first sum? Given a parallelogram ABCD. So parallelogram, what are the properties of parallelogram? First one, opposite sides are parallel, then opposite angles are parallel, diagonals bisect each other, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. These are the four properties. First, opposite sides equal, then opposite angles equal, then diagonals bisect each other, then last one, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, these are the four properties. Next one, exercise 3.3. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition of property used. Okay, so we all know the parallelogram. What is the definition of parallelogram and what are the properties of parallelogram also we know. So using that we find the complete the each statement. So what is in the first question is AD equal to what? AD equal to what? AD is the, so this is the side. AD is a side. Okay, so what is the rule? Property is what? Opposite sides are equal. See, opposite sides are equal. So what is the opposite side of AD? BC. So this is BC. Okay. Now we write the solution of that given question. The first subdivision AD. AD is equal to what? In this diagram, AD is equal to BC. Okay. So AD is equal to BC. First you write, given that ABCD is what? Given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So using the properties of parallelogram, we write this answer. Okay. So now AD is equal to BC. Okay, what is the reason? Since in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Using that property, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, next one, second one is angle DCB. Okay, angle DCB is equal to what? What is the property we are using here? So angle பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் opposite angles are parallel, no? So DCB, see, DCB, this is angle C. But what is the angle? Opposite angle is A. Okay, so DAB, right பண்ணலாமா? Right. So angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. Since the reason is opposite sense, opposite angles are parallel. Okay, Angles are parallel. Okay. Next question number 3. What is the question? OC. What is OC? OC. So already we know diagonals bisect each other னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். But in the diagonal BD என்ன பண்ணிருக்கு? இந்த AC bisect பண்ணிருக்கு. That is OC is given. So OC is equal to what? Bisect equally னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். அப்போ what is OA? Correct? So OC equal to OA. Since the reason is diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Diagonals bisect each other. This is the third one. Okay, what is the fourth one? Fourth question is angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to what? See the diagram. DAB, where is DAB? This part. Then CDA. So this one. So angle A and angle D plus பண்ணும்போது what is that? In the fourth one, the adjacent angles in the parallelogram are supplementary. So D and A are adjacent angles. So angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to what? 180 degree. Correct. Is equal to 180 degree. Now we are going to write the reason. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Sum of adjacent angles are supplementary. So these are the answers for the given question. Okay, so first sides base பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, then angles base பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, then diagonals bisect each other னு சொல்லியிருந்தோம். Last one, sum of the adjacent angles of a angles are supplementary. So 4 properties and all used here. Okay, then in the second question, consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of the unknown x, y, z. Consider the following parallelogram. Consider பண்றோம் சொல்றாங்க. We are going to find the unknown values in the given figure. What are the unknown values? We are going to find out that. Okay, the first question, first subdivision. Draw, it's a parallelogram. Draw a diagram with scale pencil. Okay, draw neatly. So it's a parallelogram, so that opposite sides are parallel. Here A, B, C, D. Okay, now this angle is 100 degree. It is X, Y, Z. Okay, so we all know the 4 properties of parallelogram. Using that property, we will find the angle. One angle is given, that is 100 degree. We are going to find the remaining angles X, Y, Z. Okay, so now using this 100 degree, we are going to find the remaining angles. Okay, now solution of the question. AB, first we consider as ABCD is a parallelogram. You write that. Okay, is a parallelogram. Okay, now, so what is the angle of B is here? 100 degree. That is given. 100 degree is given. Okay, now we are going to find the remaining angles. See, adjacent angles, that is A and B are adjacent angles. So adjacent angle is supplementary in சொல்லிருக்கோம். We write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. That is supplementary. Okay, so write the reason. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. Okay, so we all know the angle of B value, that is 100 degree. So I am writing angle A plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Okay, 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. So angle A is equal to 80 degree. Clear? Now angle A is what? Z. Okay, so Z is equal to 80 degree. So we find the angle, that is Z. Okay, now we will find X and Y values. Okay, so in X and Y, see the figure. In this parallelogram, what are the opposite angles? A and C are opposite. Then B and D are opposite. Okay, so here using the property, opposite angles are parallel. Using that property, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Right? Angle A is equal to angle C, then angle B is equal to angle D. Reason is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. So now angle A is equal to angle C. So we all know angle B. What is the angle B? In this figure, angle B is equal to what? 100 degree. So that angle D is also 100 degree. Right? Angle B is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Now angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 100 degree. So what is angle D? Angle D is what here? D is Y. Okay, so Y value is 100 degree. Okay, next we will find X. Okay, so using angle A is equal to angle C. See here, angle A is equal to angle C. So angle A is what? Z. Z is equal to X. X is what? 80 degree. So now angle A is equal to angle C. Therefore angle A is Z. Z equal to X. Angle A is Z equal to X. Okay. So now Z value is 80 degree is equal to X. Okay. So X is 80 degree, Y is 100 degree and Z is 80 degree. Okay. Write the final solution. X equal to 80 degree, Y equal to 100 degree and Z equal to 80 degree. Okay, this is the solution. So, three angles are that. Now, question number 3. Draw a diagram. It is also a parallelogram. The parallelogram is like this. So it's a parallelogram, see. See, okay. In this figure, this angle is represent the perpendicular, okay. It is Z, this is X, Y, 30 degree. Okay, so we are going to find the X, Y and Z angles. So using this, it represent, it is a 90 degree angle, so that X value also 90 degree. Okay, so then we are going to find the Y value and then Z. Okay, see in this figure, it's a parallelogram. We represent that it is A, B, C, D represent panikrom. See A, B, C, D. Okay, so now using that, it is a perpendicular. X is equal to, clearly we are writing that clearly angle X is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so what is the reason? Vertical opposite angles are equal. Okay, so since the reason is vertical opposite vertical opposite angles are equal. So using that, this x value is equal to 90 degree in find out பண்ணிருக்கோம். Okay. Next thing, we are going to find the remaining values, that is see in this figure it's a triangle x plus y plus 30 degree. Okay, it's a triangle, so x plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, what is the reason? Sum of the total angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so I am writing x plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, sum of the angle sum property. Using that angle sum property, right? Angle sum, reason is angle sum property. Applying that, we find the value of, so now x value already we know, that is 90 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now 90 plus 30 is 120 degree, that is y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so the y value, that is angle y is equal to 60 degree. Now x angle x is 90 degree, then angle y is 60 degree find out பண்ணிருக்கிறோம். Okay, this is y. See, in this diagram, next we are going to find z angle. Z is equal to angle y because opposite angles are equal. Okay, so z and y are opposite angles, so that angle z is equal to angle y. Right? Angle z is equal to angle y, since the reason is opposite angles. Okay, z and y are opposite angles, so right, opposite angles. So opposite angles. So already we find the value of angle y. Angle y is equal to 60 degree. So that angle z is also is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So angle z is 60 degree. Now right, angle x is equal to what we find, 90 degree. X angle x is 90 degree. Angle y is 90 degree. Then angle z is equal to 60 degree. Sorry, angle y also 60 degree, not 90. Angle y is equal to z, then both are equal. So y and z are equal, that is both are 60 degree. Okay. Now your homework part in the same order, that is question number 4. It is your homework. See, this is a diagram. Okay, it is z, here x,